Hi everyone, it's Amy with Perfectly Posh Made. I thought I'd hop on here and just do a quick little craft with you. I'm gonna do A Child is Born on these really nice Magnolia Design Co surface. So you can do it this way, or you can set it this way. Now, what I like about these is you get them in a 6-pack. So you can make gifts for everybody and keep one for yourself. And I like that I can do it on one side and then I can flip it and do it on another side. So you can just turn this around depending on where you set it. Or if you're going to put it in the middle of your table, you could see it from both sides, which is really cool. So I really like that about it. I will post a link below with how to order those. And this came in a set, so there was 4 of them. So I cut those up, and if you've watched me before, you know I love my scissors. They are titanium and ambidextrous, and they are amazing. I absolutely love those. One of my favorite products. Okay, so if you have not seen it, Magnolia Design Company has self-adhesive silk screen stencils. So there's actually a screen in there, and they're sticky, and you can reuse them. But when you first get them, they're very, very sticky. So you want to do, they call it the fuzzing. I'll move this down a little bit. So you're going to fuzz it on your little mat. Now this is our fuzzing towel. You can use anything. You don't have to use this. You can use another towel. You can use your shirt. You can use your jeans. You just want to get a little bit of that stickiness off. For your first time, I do it like 3 times. If I'm reusing it the next time, I might do it just once or twice, depending on how sticky it really feels. Okay. Then you just take your surface. And what I do is this one, it's not going to cover the whole surface, so it won't be a big deal. But if you're doing it on a surface that the whole thing is on, I just fold down one of these corners so that I can get a good grip on it. Sorry, my hand is like right in the way. So I'm going to try to position this. Now I know that the bottom of it's going to go in this folder a little bit, so I'm going to try to move it a little more towards the top. I don't like that, so I'm an eyeballer. I like to eyeball things. Some people are very like they really want it in the center, and I'm not that particular. But if you are, it's easy to do. You just measure the sides. But so there's that, and you're just gonna stick it down, like firmly push it down, just like that. And then you'll take your little squeegee and your chalk paste. I'm going to use, it's a glitter gold. I just think it'll be really pretty. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay. So you don't need very much. Like that was way too much. And you just put a little bit on there, and then you just squeegee it down. So it's almost like you're buttering toast. That's what I like to say. If you can butter toast, you can use Magnolia Design Co. stencils. And you don't want to press hard, just press very lightly. And you just want to cover up any of the background. So anywhere that you could see the black through, you just cover it. Very easy. So what are you guys all doing this weekend? You guys got any plans? We're just kind of taking it easy this weekend. And then you just put whatever you don't use back in there, and you're just going to take any excess off. Now what I've learned is if you go really lightly over the top to take off the excess, you don't get all the lines that you might get if you're doing it with a lot of pressure. Alright, so scrape that off. Then we're just going to peel this back. Let's see how it looks. I'm going to put my hand right in the way, I'm sure. just like that. A child is born. I'm sure that's not what Mary said, but so there it is. And then I can, on the other side, do something different if I want to use it for a different season. Or if I don't wash, like I can wash the chalk paste off of this because it's a chalkboard and it's a Magnolia Design Co chalkboard. So you can wash this off too if you don't seal it. If you want to seal it, you definitely can seal it. You just use any kind of clear sealer that you want. I use the polyacrylic a lot. That's my go-to sealer. But that's all you got to do. Then you're just going to rinse this with cool water. You're going to rinse your stencil with cool water, and you're going to leave your stencil sticky side up to dry. And then after you've done all that, you're just going to place it back on the sheet that it came off of. Now, you want to write something on the back of it so that you know that's the back. So a lot of times I write the name of the stencil that I was using so that I know which one I put it on, because sometimes I do multiple stencils and they all are about the same size. So depending on if you're really concerned about that or not, you might want to write the name on it. I just do it just because it's easier for me. But that's as easy as it is. Simple. Anyone can do it. You don't have to be a serious crafter in order to do it, because I'm not. But a lot of people will add things to these, you know, like a bow or some beads or lots of stuff like that. You can definitely do that. You could chalk on the bottom of this too if you want. So you could say Merry Christmas down here, or, you know, anything like that. But that's all there is to it. Easy peasy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you're watching my videos, comment so that I know that you've watched it, and it also helps me with Facebook so that they keep my videos out there instead of throwing them in a little bin. Anyhow, my group is in the description above. Please feel free to join that if you haven't already. And please feel free to sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And I hope you have a great weekend. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.